Hi, Primary 4. Our lesson today will be about the decimal numbers. The decimal numbers. What are the decimal numbers? If you see something, if you see a number like this, and you have here something point, what is this? This is called the decimals. Decimals. I have when you go to buy something from the market and you told that the price is what 25 and half. Okay, 30 and half. And half, it means it's a decimal. It's what? A decimal. Okay? How can I read this or how can I write this? Okay, you see, if I have here 3 over 10, this is a fraction. Here is the fraction, its denominator is 10. If I want to write this as a decimal, I don't have here a whole number. So I will write here 0. I will write here 0. And I will write point like this. Then I will put the 3 which is up. I will put the 3 which is up. So I can read this like what? 3 tenths. 3 tenths. And you see tenths not like tenths. Tenths here is ended with THS, okay, or 0.3. If like this 1 and 6 over 10, I have here a whole number, then it will be written as 1.6, which is up here. So I will read it like what? 1.6 or 1 and 6 tenths. If I said and after and, it will be the decimal board. The decimal board. If you see this 13.95, I read like this 13.95. Point, this is the decimal point. The part which is before the decimal point, this is the whole part. This is the unit and this is the tens and the complete, as we talked, units, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, as we talked before. After the decimal point, this is the decimal part. 9 here, its home or its place value is tenths. Tenths means 1 over 10. 5, it's the place value of 5 is hundredths. You see the difference? THS, it means in the decimal part after the decimal point. Hundredths means 1 over 100. 1 over 100. We want to remember something we took in the first term. The first term, you remember the loving numbers. 2 multiply 5 gives me 10. 4 multiply 25 gives me 100. 8 multiply 125 gives me 1000. Okay? Let's see the exercise. Here, write each of the following using the decimal point. Then, we want to write these fractions in a decimal point. At first, 5 and 1 over 10. I can say 5 and 1 tenths. 5 and 1 tenths. 1 over 10, it means 1 tenths. Or I will say 5.1. 5.1. Okay, like this. 5 and 1 tenths. Don't forget THS. Or 5.1. 5.1. The next one, 7 over 10. I don't have here the whole number. So the whole number here, I don't have anything here. It will be 0.7. 0.7. Or I will say 7 tenths because I have down 10. So it will be like this. 0.7 because I don't have here any whole number. 0.7. Or 7 tenths. 7 tenths. Here 15 and here 3 over 10. So it will be 15 and 3 tenths. 15 and 3 tenths. Or 15.3. 15.3 or 15 and 3 tenths. And don't forget here and. 8 and here 4 over 10. I can say 8.4 or 8 and 4 tenths. Okay, the next one 152 and here 5 over 10. I can say 152.5 or 152 and 5 tenths. Okay, here 152 and 5 tenths or 152.5. Here 48 and here 8 over 10. So it will be 48 and 8 tenths or 48.8. Okay, the last one 8 and here 7 over 10. So it can be 8 and 7 tenths or 8.7. Okay, let's see the next one. I want to here to write in digits. See, look with me. 7 and 8 tenths. Before and it will be the whole part. So it will be 7. And it will be point. Point what? 8 tenths. It will be 8. So 7.8. The next one. 943 and 1 tenths. Before and it will be the whole part. So I will write at first 943. Then and here I will put point. 1 tenths it means 1. So it will be like this. 943.1. The next one. 18 and 6 tenths. 18 the whole part. And it means the point. 6 tenths it will be 6. So it will be like this. 18.6. The next one. 2716 and 8 tenths. Before and this is the whole part. So it will be 2716.8. The next one. Convert each of the following into proper fraction or mixed number. If I have here 0.3, if the whole here this part is 0, then I don't have whole number, so it will be fraction. Then I have only one digit here after the decimal, so it will be 3 over 10. 3 over 10. Here 1.2, I have here a whole number, so the whole number is 1. And 2, it will be up and down will be 10. Why 10? Because here I have only one digit after the decimal. It will be like this. 1 and 2 over 10. The next one, 6.7. Also 6 will be the whole number. 7 will be the numerator and the denominator it will be 10. 6 and 7 over 10. Here 97.1. 97 is the whole number. 1 will be the numerator and down will be excellent 10. Because I have only one digit after the decimal point. It will be like this. 97 and 1 over 10. The next one. 265.9. 265 it will be the whole number. 9 will be the numerator. Down will be 10. So it will be 265 and 9 over 10. Let's see the next page. Here I want to make expand. 5.6 equals 5 plus what? 5 is the whole number. 6 is the decimal part, the part after the decimal point. So it will be, if I write here 5, then the decimal part I will write it 0.6. 0.6. Here 7.2. I have here, what will I write? I have here 0.2, the decimal part. Then here I will write the whole number which is 7. The next one, it gives me the opposite. 6 plus 0.3. Since 6 is the whole number, I will put point. It will be 6.3. It will be 6.3. The next one, 0.4 plus what? It gives me 1. Okay? What shall I do? I want here to reach to 1. Then 0.4, it will be plus, I want here to imagine that I will make 10, 1.0. 10, so it will be 1.0, not 10. So just imagine. So it will be 0.4 plus 0.6 to give you 1. 1.0. 1.0. Here, 0.4 plus 0.3 plus what gives you 1? 0.4 plus 0.3, it gives us 0.7. Then 0.7 plus what equals 1? It will be also 0.3. Imagine you will reach 1.0. Then 0.8 plus 0.2, it will gives you 1. Here 0.1 plus what equals 1? Excellent, will be 0.9. The next one, 4.7 equals what plus 0.7? Excellent, it will be 4, the whole part. Here I want to write each number in its place value. Here tenth, be careful. The one that ends with THS, it will be the decimal part after the decimal point. Then what is here in the tenths? It will be 2. Then I will start 756. 6 is the units, 5 is the tenths, and 7 it will be the 100. Here I have here 25. I have here anything in the tenths? No. Then I will put 0. I have here anything in the unit? Yes, it will be 5. I have here anything in the tens? Excellent, it will be 1. I have here any number in the 100? No, so I will put 0. The next one, 1/10 plus 0 units plus 4/10 plus 600. Then be careful. 4/10, it will be in the tens, units, tens, 100. Tenths, it will be after the decimal point, so it will be 640.1. 640.1. The last one, 57.3. Tenths, I have here what in the tenths? Excellent, it will be 3. In the units, I have 7. In the tenths, I have 5. I have here anything in the 100? No, then it will be 0. Please be careful when you do this. 0.4 plus what gives me 1? At 1 here it will be 1.0. So I want to make 1. 0.4. Imagine that 4 plus what gives you 10? 4 plus what gives you 10? It will be 6. So when it will be 0.4 plus what gives you 1? So it will be 0.6. Okay? Thanks for you and goodbye.